Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy, and today we are going to install the Bosch rear wiper, the 14-inch version. I'm going to put it on my Subaru Forester XT, but it probably fits to many other brands. You just have to make sure that it's on the right length. And as you can see, this is the 14-inch version. So let's see how the wiper actually looks like. As you can see, this is the wiper. Let's install it. So first let's see how we're gonna remove the old wiper. So first we pull it like this, and then after we pull it, as you can see, this piece rotates a bit, and then we have to put some pressure over here, and by pressing it, as you can see, we can take out the old wiper. Now, in order to put the new wiper, we are going to do the same operation, just in reverse. So first make sure that these two little pieces are on this direction, and then we are going to align it like this and slide it a bit. That's it. Once it's in place, we can just rotate it, and that's it. The wiper is in place. Now let's check it and make sure that everything works fine. Okay, seems like the wiper is working fine and everything is okay. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button. Thanks a lot guys, and have a great day. Bye.